I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family.
10 differences between Virgin Voyages cruise lines and other cruise lines. 1. Passengers each have a room key wristband instead of a room key card. The advantage is that you don't lose the key when you don't have a pocket. The wristband is waterproof and can go in fresh and salt water without being damaged. However, this is what it looks like after the crew member put it on my wrist, and you can see that the hook can come undone. I lost my wristband during scuba diving, so I will show you how to double or triple secure the wristband. You see that there are 2 knots, one closer to the ID side, the other closer to the hook side. The knot at the hook side can be moved to change the length of the cord. So I put my wrist through the loop and tighten the loop. Unless this knot is undone, I can't lose it. This is my first level of defense. Then I wrap the rope like this and use the loop closer to the ID to make the second level of defense. Then use the hook to make the third level defense. An alternative method is to put the hook through this tiny loop. You have to force the knot through the tiny loop, then put your hand through the larger loop and move the knot to tighten it to make the first level defense. Then wrap the rope around the wrist and use the hook to secure it like this. 2. Tips for cruise staff are included. This shows the tips we had to pay at the end of our Holland America cruise only a few months earlier. It was $17 per person per day. So even though Virgin Voyages has a higher price point at booking, consider this when you compare pricing from different cruise lines. Other cruise prices often do not include the tips. 3. Free Wi-Fi. If you must have internet, free Wi-Fi is available on board, unlike many cruise lines, which only offer Wi-Fi as a paid add-on. The free version, there are paid upgrades as well, does not include video streaming, so you cannot use YouTube and limits you to connecting with one device at a time. But it does allow you to make phone calls using Google Voice, which is very important if you don't have satellite phone service, but for things like checking email, looking up what to do at your next destination and making a reservation, checking in for your flight after departure, and so on. It was adequate. 4th, unique dining arrangements. Let's start with one example of a unique dining experience. The Test Kitchen. One of the restaurants on the ship offers a highly experimental, almost laboratory-like setting. See, the name of this dish is called mushroom.
And this is just a mushroom. Just mushroom.
So this is mushroom pate.
Yeah. Can you repeat the name of the bread?
Porcini.
Porcini.
Looks like real mushroom, but why is it perfectly shaped? Because it just looks like a mushroom shape, but it is mushroom pate. So, don't be fooled.
Mushroom pate.
The appearances can be deceiving. Things are not always what they seem. After you smash it, you realize they made it very real, with details. It focuses on molecular gastronomy and innovative dishes that are not typically found on other cruise lines, making it stand out from the standard cruise dining options. Whether you like it or not, I would say it's a must-try for adventurous eaters.
What's it called?
Gazpacho.
Gazpacho.
Vegetarian.
Oh, yeah.
Vegetarian.
What powder?
Bacon.
Bacon. So the white powder is bacon powder?
Bacon powder.
There are 6 specialty restaurants on board open for dinner. There is no additional charge to eat at any of these. You can and should make reservations prior to departure using the cruise app for each restaurant you wish to try. If you wait until you are on board, you will probably find that the times remaining are not optimal. There are always options for non-reservation dining and plenty of food available at the smaller specialty eateries around the ship during the day, also without additional cost. There is no extensive lunch or dinner buffet such as is found on many ships. This results in some special dining experiences Less waiting in lines or for service, less food waste needing to have a plan if you want to sample all the possible restaurants and other eating venues on the ship, particularly if you are on a shorter cruise. 5. Adults only, less noise. The adults only policy ensures spaces designed exclusively for adult enjoyment without the family-oriented features, not an option for travelers who want to vacation with kids. 6. Modern ship design and amenities. Sleek, modern aesthetics cater to younger, trend-focused travelers. 7. Explanation of upcoming ports of call or schedule. The next day's schedule was not delivered on paper to the staterooms the afternoon or evening before, as is common on many cruises. You were expected to use the app to keep track of arrival times, departure times, and activity schedule, although these were available on paper or posted at the passenger services desk. Undoubtedly, the benefit of this is less use of paper, less waste. Many people found the app glitchy and difficult to use. There was no cruise director available with information, giving presentations or announcements about back-on-board times, upcoming events, ports of call, shuttle buses, etc. 8. Entertainment focus. Unique, immersive entertainment options, such as pop-up performances and cabaret shows, offer something different from typical cruise shows. Limited appeal if you're expecting traditional large-scale productions, like Broadway-style shows.
Vent on the ocean floor, spit up new life each and every.
Scarlet Night is a red-themed party that features live music, karaoke, and this clip is a poolside dance party on Christmas Day.
Spin the wheel! Spin the wheel! Pressure! I know, but your pressure, yes, it does. Good job, Marcus. We did it. Here we go. Give it a spin, any which way. And let's see where it'll land. Do very good, very good. A good spin, a good spin. Let's see, will it be good, will it be bad? Oh.
This video is shown from the Resilient Lady, relatively new since it was first sailed in 2023. The cabin looks like this. Many different rest areas on deck. Here I am on the sports deck, playing in an organized dodgeball competition.
One, dodgeball! Activate those balls, yes, and now the balls are flying. This is intense.
Like when we were down there, I was like,
9. No formal dress codes. Relaxed and casual atmosphere means no need for formal attire, which appeals to travelers seeking a laid-back vibe. May be less appealing to those who enjoy formal nights and dressing up. 10. Additional cost add-ons on board. There were no art exhibits, no extensive space or roaming photographers devoted to persuading customers to get portraits taken. There was a spa. There were shops, a relatively modest-sized casino, and some activities which did carry an extra fee, all of which one could choose to go to and spend money at. But unlike some cruise lines, no hard push on getting passengers to make these additional purchases.
Don't forget to
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.